This is how to create Gmail account without using the phone number, or how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without using a phone number. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your YouTube. So once you are here, you have to just click on your profile icon at the very top right corner. Now you have to just click on this arrow here, and here you have to just click on the plus icon here. And here you have to just put your device pin to continue. So once you done, click on the next. So here you have to just click on create account and then click on for myself. Here you have to just select for your first and the last name. So once you done, click on the next. Now here you have to just enter your birthday and the gender, and again click on the next. So here you can find a lot of the options related to your first and the last name. You have to just pick a Gmail address or create your own. Like I am selecting here the first one here and then click on the next. So here you have to just create a strong password for your Gmail account. So once you create your strong password, you have to just click on the next. So here you can find the option of add phone number, but you have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom, and here you will find an option of skip at the very bottom left. You have to just click on it and you will be successfully moved to the next step without giving your phone number. So here you can see your new Gmail address. You have to just click on the next. So at this interface of privacy and terms, you have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom and then click on I agree. So now wait for loading, and after some time you can see that my new Gmail account has been created without giving any phone number. So that's how you can create a lot of the Gmail accounts without using your phone number. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.